Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add bullet points and sub-bullet points in Google Docs. This is super useful for organizing your notes, lists, or even professional documents. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs from your browser. Next, either open an existing document or create a new one where you'd like to add your list. To insert bullet points, click on the bulleted list icon found in the toolbar at the top. Now, start typing your first list item. Each time you press enter, a new bullet will appear. If you want to create a sub-bullet, press enter after your main bullet, then hit the tab key on your keyboard. This will indent the text and turn it into a sub-bullet point. Continue adding bullets and sub-bullets as needed by repeating these steps. If you'd like to customize the look of your bullets, go back to the bulleted list menu and select your preferred bullet style. And that's it. You've successfully added bullets and sub-bullets to your Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. See you in the next video.